Watercolor realistic subjects can be intimidating, but when you learn the techniques and the brush strokes, you'll get more confident in painting realistic subjects. You'll realize that painting realistic subjects is not very intimidating. The brush strokes and the techniques are repetitive, but you need patience to achieve good results. Hi, I'm Bianca. I am a watercolor artist from the Philippines, and I'm painting watercolors since 2019. This class is for beginners to intermediate in watercolor painting. For those who would like to switch from painting loose to realistic, and for those who paint with other mediums but would like to try watercolors. I will guide you through the process step by step, from the materials, transferring the drawing to your paper, watercolor consistency, brush strokes, light and shadows, negative painting, and how you can transform a drawing into a realistic and three-dimensional watercolor painting. This class has two projects. First is just one apple with a background, and second is with 6 apples with a background if you want more challenge. I'm excited to see your versions of the apples, so let's start with art supplies.